Hi, welcome to the Iron Tech, and in this video, I will tell you how to get TikTok Video Mention service according to your lowest price and then resell according to your own price to earn money online. Come to the pathsocialpanel.com, place new order. There are three categories here: the order services, link, quantity. So select TikTok video mentions, go to the order services. There is one service of TikTok video mention, that is 331. There is no guarantee of refill, and starting time a little bit late, might be 2 or 3 days, because here is mentioned 72 hours. Speed is 200 hour, and mean you can say 2000 in a day, and the price is $0.18, but the minimum amount that you can order is at 10. Place the link here, quantity, it will automatically select it, like for example 1000. If I am writing here, it will come $0.18. Yes, I have confirmed the order. Then you can say place the order. So in another video we'll discuss one more important thing. See you next time. Goodbye.